So today is Friday, March 31st. We're going to take a look at a couple of things here. This video is going to be about Bitcoin, Dash, and Ethereum. And Bitcoin is now starting to break out, and Dash and Ethereum are starting to crumble. So this is something that wasn't that hard to see coming. It was just the timing of it. Bitcoin is now in the middle of the Ichimoku cloud at a TK cross right here. The cloud's starting to come towards a Kumo twist, which would be very bullish. And we've got a couple of really big candles right in the middle of the cloud. So that's all bullish for Bitcoin. the This top line up here, the Kumo is gonna act like a magnet. So the price is gonna head towards this, likely touch it. So that would be about 1120. That's what we're calling. That's what I'm calling on Bitcoin. At least that's what I'm playing today. I almost put a bid in at 1047 last night and I didn't. So I got a little higher bid in today. And I put a tighter stop on it just in case this is another fake out. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Dash. So Dash is one that I've been really skeptical of as a coin and anything that's going on with it in general. I took a short position last week or maybe a few days ago right in here when it broke south of the cloud, and then I got stopped out as it came back into the cloud. Well, now it's completely broken down. It's out of the cloud, dropping rapidly. I opened a short on this last night at about 71. And I think if it can break 60, there's just a little bit of support. If you come back here and take a look at the chart, there's a little bit of chop at this level. So there's going to be some price memory on around 60-ish. But if it can get past 60, it's going to do this in reverse, probably come back down to 40. That would be a really considerable drop for Dash, but I believe that's possible based on the ridiculous uptrend it had. I've got some cushion here to play with, so I'm watching to see if 60 holds. If it does, I may just take a profit. If 60 breaks, I'm going to hold it and see how far down it can go. So that's what's going on with Dash. Then we'll take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum has broken a TK cross going the wrong way, several red candles, and it's come back into the cloud. So once it comes into the cloud, that's a change of direction. And if it can get a full candle in the cloud, which I do expect, it just turned over this 4-hour candle. But nonetheless, it would come back and head down towards .036. It would come down and likely come to the bottom of the cloud. I'd like to see one more full candle in the cloud, nothing touching the lines to confirm that. That's on a 4-hour chart, about 3.5 hours away. It's at the bottom of this candle, so you could, if you wanted to be aggressive, open a position, put your stop at the top of the cloud, which is .046, and then just see if it can play out. So none of this is an investment advice. These are just charts that I've been watching for quite some time, and now that there's some substantial developments, I wanted to share what I saw. Leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, stay safe out there. Invest.